Imagine trying to land a plane in a thick cloud of fog with no radar and a broken compass. That is exactly what you are doing when you run a digital marketing strategy without data. In the next 6 minutes, we are going to fix that. We will install Google Analytics 4 using a beginner-friendly plugin, verify the connection is active, filter out your own traffic, and locate the exact metrics you need to measure growth. Before we start, make sure you have 3 things ready: an active Google account, administrator access to your WordPress dashboard, and a website that is completely clear of any old analytics code. Investing 5 minutes in this setup replaces months of guesswork with hard data on exactly where your leads are coming from and why they might be leaving. Step 1 is to generate our tracking framework. Head over to analytics.google.com and click the Start Measuring button. You need to create a new property for your site. When the system asks you to set up a data stream, make sure you select Web as your platform. Type in your exact website URL, give the stream a recognizable name, and hit Create. Google will immediately generate a unique string of characters starting with G-. This is your measurement ID. Go ahead and copy it. Think of this ID as the dedicated digital bridge connecting your specific WordPress site to your new analytics dashboard. Holding on to this exact code is the only way to ensure the data flowing from your website lands accurately in your reports. Now let's make the connection. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and open your plugin directory. Search for the MonsterInsights plugin. It's the most reliable tool. Install it and click Activate. Follow the prompts on the screen to authenticate your Google account and link MonsterInsights directly to the GA4 property we just built. At this stage, you must avoid mixing methods. Do not paste manual code into your theme if you are using a plugin, and never run 2 analytics plugins at the same time. Doing so creates a direct conflict. This double tracking error will artificially inflate your page views, ruin your bounce rate numbers, and ultimately render your data entirely useless. By simply completing the MonsterInsights setup wizard, the tool automatically maps the measurement ID we copied earlier directly into your site's code. You don't have to touch a single file yourself. Relying on one dedicated pipeline protects the integrity of your data stream and ensures you aren't logging ghost interactions. Next, we need to prove the installation actually works. Open a new browser tab and pull up your live website. Actively click around, open a blog post, visit your About page, and trigger some real interactions. Head back over to Google Analytics and open the Real-Time Overview report. This chart shows live activity, and you should see an instant data spike representing your current session. Seeing your own visit proves the connection is live, but moving forward, your own constant edits and reviews will skew the numbers if we leave them in the mix. To fix this, click the Admin Gear icon in Google Analytics, navigate to your property settings, and select Data Filters. Create a new IP filter rule here. By entering your personal or team IP addresses, you block GA4 from recording your internal activity. With the live data flow confirmed and your internal traffic blocked, every single interaction logged from this point forward belongs exclusively to a real potential customer. Now that the technical setup is locked in, let's look at how to actually use this information. Forget the vanity numbers. Focus on the metrics that drive decisions. The acquisition report shows which channels bring in actual leads. Conversion events track definitive actions, like form submissions or purchases. The Pages and Screens report identifies where content holds attention and where it leaks revenue. Consistently tracking these 3 specific dimensions allows you to diagnose site performance and prioritize the content that actually moves your bottom line. And that is it. Your WordPress site is fully integrated. The traffic is properly filtered, and the platform is recording. If your main historical dashboard looks completely empty right now, do not panic. Standard data processing takes 24 to 48 hours to fully populate in these reports. Once that data accumulates over the coming months, you will unlock advanced capabilities, like GA4's predictive metrics, which use machine learning to forecast the likelihood of user purchases before they even happen. By completing this integration, every click informs your next move, giving you the clear visibility needed to grow with confidence.